Hello everyone, and welcome to the wonderful world of English literature. I hope you all are happy, excited, and ready to enjoy a beautiful poem today. But before we begin, let me ask you something. Have you ever done anything that felt very difficult at first, but then became much easier when someone helped you? Maybe carrying something heavy, or finishing a class activity, or maybe learning something new with someone's help. Yes, isn't it true that when someone stands beside us, things become easier and better? And that is exactly what today's poem is all about. We are going to read and enjoy a lovely poem from your English book, Santoor. Now let us listen to the title very carefully. Together we can. What does it tell us? It tells us that when we stay together, help one another, and work as a team, we can do wonderful things. This poem gives us a very sweet and meaningful message about unity, friendship, trust, and teamwork. So come, let us read this poem together and understand what the poet wants to tell us. Together we stand, strong and tall. Helping each other, we never fall. Cheering aloud, we shout and sing. Teamwork can overcome anything. Win or lose, we always share. Our bond of trust is always there. With each hand joined, the goal is near. Time spirit fills the air with cheer. Together we shine, our hearts as one. For in our team, the joy is begun. What a lovely poem, isn't it? Now let us understand it line by line in a very simple and interesting way. The poem begins with the lines, "Together we stand, strong and tall. Helping each other, we never fall." These lines tell us that when we stay together, we become strong. Now here, strong and tall does not only mean physically strong. It also means being confident, brave, and united. And when the poet says, helping each other, we never fall, it means that when we support one another, we do not feel weak or alone. Children, think about this. If one friend is confused in class and another friend helps, then the work becomes easier, right? So these lines teach us very important lesson. When we help one another, we become stronger together. Now let me ask you, if your friend forgets a pencil or is unable to understand something, what should you do? Yes, you should help. That is exactly the spirit this poem teaches us. Now let us move to the next two lines. Cheering aloud, we shout and sing. Teamwork can overcome anything. These lines are full of joy and energy. The poet creates a happy picture here. When people work together, they feel excited and cheerful. They encourage one another. They celebrate together and they enjoy being a part of a team. And then comes a very powerful line. Teamwork can overcome anything. The word overcome means to solve or defeat a problem. So what does this line mean? It means that when people work together, even difficult tasks become easier. For example, if your teacher gives the class a big activity, like making a chart, decorating the classroom, or preparing for a school function, will one child be able to do that? Everything alone? No, right? But when everyone helps, the work becomes so much easier, faster, and more enjoyable. So this part of the poem tells us that teamwork makes difficult things possible. Now let us read the next lines. Win or lose, we always share. Our bond of trust is always there. These lines are very meaningful. The poet says that whether we win or lose, we stay together. This is a very beautiful thought. Children, in real life, we do not always win. Sometimes we may lose a game. Sometimes our team may not come first. Sometimes things may not go exactly as we planned. But does that mean we should leave our friends or stop supporting them? No. A good team does not stay together only in happy moments. A good team stays together in every situation. And then the poet says, our bond of trust is always there. A bond means a close connection. And trust means believing in one another. So these lines tell us that true friendship and true teamwork are built on trust. It also means we believe in one another, we stand by one another, and we support one another. Now let us go ahead. With each hand joined, the goal is near. Team spirit fills the air with cheer. These lines are full of positivity and hope. So when the poet says, with each hand joined, the goal is near, it means that when everyone joins hands and works together, success comes much closer. The word goal means aim or target. So if everyone cooperates and puts in effort, the team can achieve its goal more easily. And then we hear this beautiful line, team spirit fills the air with cheer. Now what is team spirit? Team spirit means encouraging one another, feeling happy as a group, staying positive, and working together with excitement. And cheer means happiness and joyful energy. So this line gives us a very lively picture of a happy team. A team that is united, excited, and full of possibility and positivity. Now we come to the final lines of the poem. Together we shine, our hearts as one. For in our team, the joy is begun. What a beautiful ending. When the poet says, together we shine, it means that when we stay united, we do our best and show our true strength. And did you notice something? The poet does not say, I shine. The poet says, we shine. That is very important because true happiness becomes more special when it is shared with others. Then comes the line, our hearts as one. This means that even though people may be different, they feel connected. They think together, feel together, and move ahead together. And the last line says, for in our team, the joy is begun. This means that being part of a loving and supportive team brings happiness. So the poem ends with a joyful feeling and reminds us that teamwork is not only about finishing work, it is also about friendship, support, belonging, and happiness. Now, if we look at the poem as a whole, what does it teach us? It teaches us that when people stay together and help one another, they become stronger. It tells us that teamwork is powerful, trust is important, helping others is a good habit, and success becomes sweeter when shared. Don't you agree? Now, children, what is the message of the poem? The poem teaches us that we should help one another, work together, trust our friends, support each other, and stay united. So the message, I believe, is very clear, right? Together we are stronger, happier, and better. And that is why the title of the poem is so meaningful. Together we can. So children, this poem is not just for reading. It is also for living a better life and spreading joy and happiness all around us. So friends, thanks a lot for participating with me. We at NCERT will be back soon with another interesting story. Thanks and namaskar.